Have you ever thought about restoring your old family footage or videos, or bringing classic films back to life? Those blurry, noisy, low-resolution memories don't have to stay forgotten. Now, it's time to relive them in their full glory. Introducing Filmora's new AI video enhancer from Wondershare, using advanced Topaz AI. It transforms low-quality footage into stunning clarity, reducing noise and blur, and enhancing colors, textures, and even upgrading 320p to 4K or 8K. Faces sharpen, moments feel alive, and your memories are truly revived. First, head over to the official Filmora website using the link in my description. It's available on Android, Windows, and Mac, so no matter what device you're using, you're good to go. Once you open Filmora, you'll see a clean and powerful interface. You can instantly enhance your video using the AI video enhancer right from the toolbar. This takes us straight into the editing workspace. Right here, you'll notice two newly introduced AI video enhancer options. The first is the standard video enhancer, which delivers results in HD quality, including 720p and 1080p resolution. The second option is Topaz AI, which allows you to upscale videos to 4K and even 8K resolution. Now, first things first, remove the existing video. Then, import your old vintage black and white video by clicking here. Once it's imported, simply drag and drop it onto the editing timeline and select the clip. This allows us to activate the video enhancer. Before we apply it, let's make a quick customization. Trust me, this small step makes a big difference in the final result. First, head over to the color section, scroll down, and set both vibrance and saturation to -100. This will bring subtle life back into the black and white footage. Then, set the brightness to 20 to gently lift the overall exposure. Next, reduce the contrast to -100 to soften harsh shadows. And increase the sharpen to 100 to enhance facial details and make the video look crisp and clear. You'll instantly notice the difference when comparing before and after the sharpen effect. Once all settings are applied, move back to video section and choose the standard auto enhancer, hit generate, and you're all set. Your blurry video is now converted to HD. If you check the video timeline, you'll see HD displayed. Let's compare the input and output results side by side. The difference is clear. The video is cleaner, sharper, and more detailed. Noise is reduced, colors are balanced, and faces look clearer. Even though this started as a low-quality vintage clip, the enhanced version feels modern and visually pleasing. If you're happy with the result, click Export and save it to your system. Now, let's take it up a notch with 4K restoration. Switch the enhancer to Topaz Starlight to boost your video to 4K. It supports videos up to 1 minute long at 60 frames per second. Since your video is already in HD and no color tweaks are needed, just click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be in Ultra HD 4K. Let's compare the blurry original with the 4K output. The difference is impressive, more defined details, refined edges, and stunning clarity. Now, compare HD and Ultra HD. You'll notice enhanced textures, sharper visuals, and greater overall clarity, making the footage look polished and professional. Now, let's test a second clip, this time, a color video from the late 90s, and see how it looks. We'll follow the same settings as before, but this time we'll explore a few more AI features side by side. First, set the color adjustments, but don't set the vibrance and saturation to -100 like in the last video. These settings are only for black and white footage, not for color videos. Keep the remaining settings as usual, set brightness to 20, contrast to -100, and sharpen the video to 100. Once all the settings are in place, enable AI matting and turn on AI portrait cutout. This feature completely removes the background, allowing you to replace it with a new one. It's one of the coolest tools if you want full control over the background of your video. If you need to cover or hide someone's face in the video, you can do that too. Simply enable AI Face Mask. This feature automatically detects and tracks faces throughout the entire video. Next, choose Cross Blur. Select the face you want to blur, and increase the strength and opacity. The selected face will now be fully blurred. This is perfect when you want to focus on one person instead of everyone else in the frame. These AI tools make editing faster, smarter, and far more precise, especially when working with footage. Now first let's enhance it using the standard AI enhancer. Click Generate, your results will be ready in seconds. As expected, the result looks great. It's enhanced the blurry video, making it clearer and more detailed. Next, let's try Topaz. Click Generate, and the results are truly enormous compared to both the low-quality original and the HD version. The difference is incredible. And that's how Filmora's AI tools make video editing fast, easy, and powerful. You can enhance old footage, blur or adjust backgrounds, and even upscale videos to Ultra HD 4K, all in just a few clicks. Even with no editing experience, you can achieve professional quality results and bring your videos to life. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to check the link in the description to explore Filmora's AI, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI tool.